Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw a mummy. Okay, it's gonna be a cartoon style mummy. There are several different mummies on this channel. Okay, it's a Halloween drawing channel, so there's a lot of different ways to draw that. So this is one of those ways. Simple, easy for beginners. So let's get started. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw a curve right here for the mummy's head. It's like a U shape, literally a U shape. Gonna do the top of the head over here, curve. Okay. Gonna go over here to the eye area, pull out right there for like an angry furrowed eye. Pull a line on the opposing side. Okay. Gonna go right here, curve down, up. Over here on this side, curve down, up. All right. Now I'm gonna go pull a line down for the neck. It's gonna be like a kind of a cartoony neck. Line over here to the right, line over here to the left for the shoulders. Line down over here for the kind of more or less the torso in one. The torso over here, it's gonna be like a bucket. We're gonna have the whole torso look kind of like a bucket. Curve line here. Gonna go over here to this side, pull line out for the leg, down for this part of the leg. Gonna go over here to this side, down over here, curve over here for the foot, right there, small foot. So he kind of has like a pillow-like body. That's kind of the way I'm drawing him. I'm drawing him like the way I would draw like an action figure, or not an action figure, like a stuffed animal or something. Gonna go over here on this side. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna pull a kind of wiggly arm out, like he's kind of, you know, haunting somebody, like woo. Gonna go over here on this side, curve up. Line out for the arm, and I'm gonna give the arm like a thickness. Again, I'm thinking in that like stuffed animal kind of way, right? Oh, there's this like, kind of like the body of a stuffed animal. Line over here. Alrighty. All right, cool. So now what I'm gonna do, since this is a mummy, is I'm gonna draw the lines across, right? The lines are like the tape. Curve line there. So imagine like a ball or something, right? Like a football, something like that. And you're wrapping it with tape. What it would curve around, you know, curve around here. Curve around here. Curve around here. Curve around here. These things are wrapping around. So I want you to imagine that. And it's going to be a lot easier to kind of wrap those lines around there. Don't forget, by the way, if you like learning how to draw Halloween stuff, hit the subscribe button, because you're not just subscribing for this year, you're subscribing for every year following up. So for example, next year rolls around, like Halloween rolls around, you start seeing these cool Halloween tutorials on your feed just automatically, right? Because it's that time of year and they'll just start showing up again. So subscribe, hit that bell notification. There's a lot of fun ahead. So I'm gonna be posting a lot of different stuff. Curve underneath here, curve underneath here, and again I'm just kind of throwing just these lines. I'm just thinking the wrapping right around here. That's literally all I'm thinking about. And in terms of the placement here, they're kind of random. I'm just, some of them are stripes, like things just wrap around. Okay, that's the head. Let's continue down here. Curve, curve, curve. Same thing over here. Imagine the arm is like a tube and you're wrapping tape around the tube, right? It's going to be just kind of, again, more or less, just kind of, you know, what would it look like? Like you're wrapping toilet paper around the tube. Like a long tube, right? Just kind of, as long as it all curves that direction or whatever, it's fine. Torso, same exact thing. so. Over here, curve, 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 curve. There. Like there as well. So let's have a little bit of tape. Well, let's say down here, a little bit of tape coming off, right? That's the edge of that tape. Let's say over here it's coming off on this side just a little bit, right? Looks like a, again, looks literally think about like a toilet paper roll, like how it'd be hanging, right? Right here a little bit. And maybe you can have one over here off the face a little bit. It's covered in that paper. Okay? What I want you to do next is I want you to bold the... Don't forget, by the way, hit the like if you like this kind of stuff. Hit that like, absolutely. Helps the channel out. Yeah, it's just good stuff. I'm going to bold out the eye right there, just so I want it to look more obvious. I'm going to bold out that eye. Bold out the other eye. All right? Just to make it more, you know, you can see it more. It doesn't get lost in the shuffle there. Then I want you to draw a bold line around the outside contour, meaning it's just the outside right here. There. Curve out here. Down. Curve right here. Pulling up. Again, just kind of just the outside of it, just a thicker line on the outside showing, you know, that there's, again, what it does is it kind of unifies the drawing, and I think that's just a straight up good idea to do that. Let me know if you have any suggestions for Halloween. This is my favorite time of year. I want you guys to feel like your voices are heard, because they definitely are. So just hit that comment section and let me know. There we go. Woo! Right on. If you want to add some color, you can always add like a little bit of color to the eyes. Let's say like some yellow or green or you know, something like that. That might kind of give it a little bit of flavor. You know, they tend not to have. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Share the video if you can with someone that likes Halloween, all right? Or thinks that they might like this. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month, like 30 days. That's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.